excited about the potatoes?
Yeah! Hi.
Hi guys! Today we're going to be harvesting our potatoes.
Yeah!
So I cut the tops down about 2 weeks ago and they are pretty much ready to be harvested. So we'll see how they turn out. I kind of had a little bit of experiment. I have a bigger container and then I have a smaller container. And the smaller one has smaller holes in it and the bigger one has bigger holes in it. So we'll see how it worked out. Are you excited about the potatoes?
Yeah! It out there. Whoa, that's
Whoa!
big one. I'm going to dig it out.
Whoa! Look at all the buggies and stuff in there too. Wow.
Hey, give me your shovel.
Okay.
Be real gentle at first.
Dig it out there.
I initially put a good layer of dirt and then I planted my seed potatoes. And then the rest should all be potatoes going that way.
Look at that bottom.
Whoa.
Really rich soil.
Yeah.
What are those?
Those are potatoes.
Wow!
Those.
You want to grab this one?
Yeah.
Come here. It's okay. Yeah, go put it in the wheelbarrow.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. Rot in some of these. Way at the bottom.
Did we
Look
leave
at that.
them a little too long?
We might have. They got rot.
Mm.
Well, this is kind of an experiment. We've never done this before, so.
Or the ants got to
The
them?
ants got to them. Almost every single one of those is bad. Nope, that's been eaten. This one actually looks okay.
This one
I don't know how well it'll taste.
That one was.
Really eaten.
That one right there was eaten.
Really eaten.
Good. Yeah, look at that. Big hole. Corvin, you want to pull it? Help Mommy pull the trash can? Yeah.
Whoa!
What's in there? Is there any potatoes?
Yeah. There's a potato there!
Okay, go in and get it.
There's a potato here, Mom.
Is there any holes in it? Look at it. Oh, there's a couple holes. But they both seem to have about the same size, so I don't know what I did wrong. Was it stay too wet? I mean, the one obviously got ants all in it. I don't know how to prevent that. So if you have help, please comment, please help us. Here's all we got. It isn't much out of 2 whole trash cans full. So if you have any tips or tricks, please let us know. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe, give us a good thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you next time.